Hello everyone, I'm Ella. Welcome to Wiggle and Learn. Today, we are going to continue learning farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go and meet our farm animal friends. Look, it's a pig. Pigs love to play in the mud. A pig says oink oink. Pigs are very smart animals, and they love to roll in mud to stay cool. Goodbye, pig. See you again. This is a donkey, and a donkey says, hee-haw. Donkeys help carry heavy things and work on the farm. Donkeys are very smart, and they never forget paths they have learned. Goodbye, donkey. See you again. This is a duck, and a duck says, quack. Ducks have waterproof feathers, so they can swim easily in water. Ducks swim in ponds and help keep the farm water lively and clean. Goodbye, duck. See you again. This is a honeybee, and a honeybee makes a soft buzzing sound. Buzz, buzz. Honeybees fly from flower to flower and help plants grow by spreading pollen. Honeybees can visit many flowers in one day and help make honey. Goodbye, honeybee. Thank you for helping the flowers. This is a fish, and a fish says, blub blub. Fish live in water and swim around the pond all day. Fish breathe through gills and can stay underwater all the time. Goodbye, fish. Have a nice swim. We learned so many farm animals today. Let's see them all again. We saw pig, donkey, duck, honeybee, and fish. We had so much fun learning farm animals today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next video.